Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest advancements in home security technology. In today's video, we're excited to present an in-depth review of the TP-Link Tapo 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera. If you're looking for a versatile and advanced security camera solution for your home, you're in for a treat. Join us as we dive into the features, functionality, and performance of the TP-Link Tapo 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera. Home security has evolved significantly with the integration of smart technology. The TP-Link Tapo 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera is designed to provide you with peace of mind by offering enhanced surveillance capabilities and remote monitoring. In this review, we'll explore its key features, installation process, and real-world performance. Let's begin by highlighting some of the key features that make the TP-Link Tapo 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera stand out. High-definition video. The camera captures video in stunning 2K resolution, ensuring clear and detailed footage. This level of clarity is essential for accurate identification and monitoring. Pan and tilt functionality. With pan and tilt capabilities, this camera allows you to remotely adjust the viewing angle. This feature offers a broader perspective, reducing blind spots and enhancing coverage. Motion detection. The built-in motion detection technology triggers alerts whenever motion is detected within the camera's field of view. This is a valuable tool for proactive monitoring and security. Two-way audio. The TP-Link Tapo 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera features two-way audio, enabling you to communicate with visitors or family members through the camera. This adds an extra layer of interaction and security. Night vision. The camera is equipped with infrared LEDs that provide clear night vision. This ensures that you have continuous visibility even in low-light conditions. Remote access and control. Using the dedicated app, you can access the camera's live feed and control its movements remotely. This feature allows you to stay connected and monitor your home from anywhere. The installation and setup process of the TP-Link Tapo 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera is designed to be user-friendly. We'll guide you through the steps required to set up the camera, connect it to your home network, and configure its settings. Real-world performance. To provide you with accurate insights, we conducted real-world testing of the TP-Link Tapo 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera. We'll showcase its performance during the day, night, and in various lighting conditions. Additionally, we'll test the camera's motion detection alerts and two-way audio functionality. In conclusion, the TP-Link Tapo 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera offers a comprehensive solution for home surveillance. Its high-definition video, pan and tilt functionality, and remote access capabilities make it a valuable addition to any home security setup. Thank you for joining us in this detailed review of the TP-Link Tapo 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel for more home security insights, and sharing it with those who are interested in enhancing their home security. Stay tuned for a closer look at the TP-Link Tapo 2K Pan Tilt Security Camera.